Welcome to Day 7 Gratitude Challenge. Today's topic is magical way out of negativity. So, are you creating your own life or is it happening for you? Are you awake? Are you still asleep? Are you grateful to be alive each day or do you take your life for granted? So, these are the questions you should be thinking every moment of your life. So, how many of us generally face negative situations? How many of you are facing already? May it be in terms of negative thoughts, negative feelings, emotions, or the persons or the circumstances in your life. One or the other will be there that will be troubling us, right? So, if you are complaining about the weather, traffic, your spouse, your children, your family, your boss, or waiting up in the lines in the banks, or about the bills, economy, then how much are you receiving anything? You are so closed at your heart that you don't have another viewpoint to attract things into your life. So whatever the dream life you are wishing, it never comes true because you are keeping everything away from you. So, but there, if you are aware once, then you have the chance and you can create change in your thoughts, circumstances, feelings, emotions, and everything you can change. It's just a second away. So negative thoughts, just you can blow it off in one puff and it goes away. So you should have that awareness. For example, if somebody is scolding me, and it's like a verbal abuse also can happen, then you should be aware whether is it coming from the other person, from the situation he is facing or she is facing, or is it relevant to me, is it applicable to me, should I take it, will it be helpful for me? When you have this awareness, then you can choose differently. You're least bother about what they are going through. You being that positive shift, being that in positive vibration will change the reality for others as well. Right? So it can be changed in 1 second. You have that power. For that you need awareness. For every negative thought you get, you should think of 10 grateful things to shift the vibration into positive. So for example, if somebody is unemployed, he can say, I am grateful to have more time for my family during this period. Or they can say, I am grateful that there are jobs out there and more new jobs are appearing each day. So likewise, he can list out 10 things which makes him feel better, and this vibration will attract the job he wants. And many times it happened recently in Mumbai also. He didn't have a job and he has no hope of gaining any employment. But he has a dream company he was hoping to work with. And it even in this period, it happened. He got his dream job with a wonderful salary. So things can happen once you start being grateful for it. For example, if your relationship, your father is not great, then you can express thankfulness from your heart, saying for all the education you are provided during your childhood by your father, and he would have supported you in taking you to the sports. You can be thankful for those activities you did with your father, right? And you can be thankful that you have learned the compassion from him, and you are able to provide it for your children as well, whatever the love you have learned from your father. Then the relationship improves. Even the father himself responds in a different way, and you will be communicating in whole new level. That is what happens when you have gratitude. So today you take out one situation, one thing that you want to resolve, one negative thing that you want to resolve. So negativity is nothing, it's nothing wrong as such. You are lacking the knowledge about it. You are lacking the wisdom. When you get that wisdom, when you get that awareness, then it will be broken down. Then you will see the light out of it. So whenever you are faced with negativity, become aware what is the point I am missing out here. Then when you question what is there, what is right about it that I am not getting, then you will see multiple choices. You will not be thinking only in that negative direction. Then you will see lot of whole positive set of things that you can be grateful for. So when you ask this kind of questions, definitely the negative situation will transform in your life. So everybody take today one negative situation out of your life and write 10 grateful things. May not be related to the same situation, but you can take any 10 things to be grateful for and profoundly feel it from your heart. And there should be any discord in when you are expressing the gratitude. Then you can as well say in terms of I am so grateful for this thing. I am truly grateful for my job. I am so glad that I am able to spend time with my family. And say at the end, thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. So whenever you come across a negative thought, always think, okay, this negative thought has come, acknowledge it, it has come. Okay, but now I am choosing gratefulness and choose whatever you are grateful for. So whenever the negative things come, you can change it. You have that power. Right? You need not struggle for days together or hours together. It's a second, moments change, the things can happen. You should be aware. It's your choice whether to waste time in those things, or you can be aware and the answers flow from your higher self, or wherever the creation source is there. The answers will flow to you, and for it to be resolved, you need not know all the answers, but you will get whatever you want. So how many of you want to work on coming out of negativity? So glad you attended, you have watched this video. Please leave your comments below this video. And I'll be doing Access Book intro classes as well in the future, which I'll be posting the details in my timeline. Thank you everyone.